using my POLYGEL nails that I had on, that I did my Christmas designs on. So we're gonna remove these and I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna move it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything together now so you guys can see how I actually do my nails when I take them off. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I take my POLYGEL off. I think I do have one on showing you guys how I'm not quite sure. I think because I did so many videos, you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys how I take these POLYGEL nails off from both hands and show you how to bring it down shorter. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into that right now. And yes, all right, you guys. Okay, everyone, this is my nails now, and now I'm getting ready to clip all these nails. But you know what? I realized it was too thick, so I had to file them down and then clip them off. And yes, and now I'm going to be actually soaking it with these nail remover with the cotton balls. And then now I'm just going to basically file it, get it prepped so I can start putting on POLYGEL again. So basically, I'm just going to do a basic set. I'm going to do a French manicure and I'm only going to do it on one hand, you guys, today. And show you one hand on the video. And then I'm at the thumbnail. On the thumbnail, I'm going to have both hands. So I'm just going to basically show you one hand right now. Everyone, so now I'm basically going to see what nail dough form actually fits my nails before I put the POLYGEL within it. As you can see, I'm just basically taking out the nails. Okay, I'm about to put the base coat on. And I'm going to sit my hand underneath the UV light so it can cure real quick. All right, you guys. So just basically want to show you guys, this is a nail extension gel, and this is POLYGEL. So basically I just got it. It's a clear one. I just got it from Amazon, you guys. So just want to open it up with you guys to show you guys how it look and show you the instructions, these steps that I will actually be doing today. This is a step that I do when I'm doing the dual form, and it also shows you on the very next page how to do it when you're sculpturing your nail with POLYGEL as well. Okay, so I'm gonna just put that back in the box here. All right, and I already had measured my nails with the dual form, so we don't have to worry about that. So basically, this is my dap condition. This is the alcohol, 70% alcohol that I'll be using today, and this is the Makartt brush, and on the next side is, of course, the picker. Okay, so I'm gonna be actually dipping it and putting it into the dual form and basically putting it onto the nail. So let's open up this POLYGEL clear, and it is sealed. So I just want to show you guys how to seal. It comes sealed just like this. Okay, and when you look at this, I'm going to open it up and I'm just going to show you guys. The same way you see it like this is how you want it when you open it every time. You want to make sure that it stays at the top, because you see to get bubble in it if you let air get within your POLYGEL. And once you get air in it, it bubbles up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into the dual form, just show you guys how I actually put it on there. Okay, and you don't necessarily have to file each one after you do it. You could do it after you do everything, but I do file each one in between. And I'm using a bright white POLYGEL as well to do the French tip on the top, you guys. And I'm just filing it up nice, you guys, and I'm loving it, you guys. And thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. See you guys next week. Bye.